This is where precision becomes perfection at an unimaginable scale. Every second, thousands of components begin their journey into perfection. Only the purest materials are worthy of becoming innovation. Perfection begins with absolute verification. At this scale, organization becomes an art form. Only flawless inputs are allowed to continue the journey.
Every atom is tracked, every detail controlled.
And now, the transformation begins.
Here, raw matter begins its transformation into intelligence.
Every component is placed with microscopic perfection.
Precision conditions define the limits of performance.
For the first time, form begins to follow function. Perfection multiplied at an industrial scale.
Speed meets absolute precision without compromise.
Even in motion, nothing escapes inspection. The foundation is set. Now perfection takes shape. Here, engineering meets artistry at the microscopic level. Color is not applied. It is engineered into perfection. Precision defines the difference between good and extraordinary. Perfection must be locked into form. A surface that reflects not just light, but perfection. Handled with the care of something truly priceless.
From raw material to engineered perfection.
Now, perfection moves forward at unstoppable scale.
Nothing escapes the eyes of artificial precision.
Perfection is measured down to the invisible.
Every shade identical every time.
Strength is proven, not assumed.
Purity is absolute, or it is rejected.
Only perfection earns the right to move forward. Perfection is not a goal, it is a constant.
Only the flawless survive, and now they move as one.
Even perfection must wait, in perfect order.
Presentation begins long before the final reveal. Accuracy is engineered into every single unit.
Every detail must reflect the standard of perfection.
Protection is precision before the final seal.
Four lines, one flawless rhythm.
Ahead lies the moment where perfection meets identity.
Now, perfection meets its final form.
Identity is engineered before it is revealed.
Perfection meets its signature form.
Sealed. With uncompromising precision. Every symbol must represent perfection.
Precision continues, even beyond the product itself.
Every journey is tracked from factory to hand.
A sea of perfection, ready for the world.
This is perfection delivered.
Even at scale, precision never falters. Secured for a journey across the world. Every shipment carries its complete identity. A choreography of machines bled here, moving with flawless intent. Storage at a scale beyond imagination.
Every unit accounted for in real time.
Precision continues, even in selection. From factory floor to the world beyond. Before perfection begins again, everything must return to zero. Every surface restored to absolute purity. Invisible threats eliminated completely.
Failures are prevented before they exist. Precision, recalibrated to perfection. Human expertise confirms machine perfection.
The environment itself meets perfection. And once again, the cycle begins.
The future of production is powered by the planet itself.
Nothing is wasted. Everything is reborn.
Every drop, purified, reused, and respected. An entire world controlled by intelligence. Progress measured not just in output, but in responsibility.
Innovation never stops. It evolves.
A factory perfected in both reality and simulation. The future enters production in real time. This is not just technology. This is perfection realized. An unstoppable engine of precision operating without pause. From raw elements to engineered perfection in moments. From one factory
to every corner of the world.
Perfection arrives, ready to be experienced.
This is why perfection is created.
Because the world never stops demanding perfection.